I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at a very capable gaming monitor from LG. This is the LG UltraGear 27GP750. I have to say I appreciate a monitor that's easy to unpack and light enough to lift easily. Some of these can be a real slog to unbox, but not this one. It features a blistering 240Hz refresh rate, 1080p resolution, HDR10, 99% sRGB color coverage, NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync support, and an anti-glare 27-inch IPS display. I also have to say that LG has done a very nice job of aesthetic design with this monitor. Look at the detail and the high-gloss paint job. Those are dual HDMI 2.2 ports, by the way, along with DisplayPort 1.4 and a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones or a sound system. There are no onboard speakers. I have to say it again, it really seems like a shame to hide these design details at the back. Beneath the monitor is a mini control stick for on-screen menu navigation. I have not removed the protective plastic, by the way, so that's what that is. There are two pieces that make up the monitor stand, and as you can see, they continue the red and black theme. The stand itself clicks into place in a single motion. The base connects and secures with a pair of built-in screws, so you won't need any tools to assemble it. The finished monitor is a thing of beauty, but again, it's a bit of a shame that so much of that glossy red is ultimately hidden from view. The stand is height and tilt adjustable, and you can even rotate the monitor to portrait mode. But you probably won't. This is a gaming monitor after all. There's some integrated cable management molded into the back of the stand. From the front, you can see this has a very low glare panel. The top and sides have thin bezels. And there's a prominent sticker, removable, showing one of the key gaming features in NVIDIA G-Sync support. Here's a quick clip from LG that illustrates the difference that makes with a properly equipped source. That 240Hz refresh rate also means extremely smooth motion. Do I want to enable advanced video features? Yes, please. Unfortunately, my Xbox Series S can't take full advantage of all the advanced capabilities of this LG UltraGear monitor, but there's still a wide array of on-screen menu-driven options that allow you to optimize the picture to suit the gaming system it's connected to, and even the game genre you're playing. In testing, I found the monitor made for a great gaming experience, with good color reproduction, smooth action, low input lag, wide viewing angles, and very little glare that made games playable even in a sunny room. If you're looking for a right-sized gaming monitor for your PC or console, big enough that you can see all the action, but not so big that finding room for it is a problem, the LG UltraGear 27GP750 is definitely worth checking out. However, if you're interested in 4K or 1440p gaming, you'll need to look into alternatives with a higher resolution than this one. You'll find all the top brands in PC and gaming monitors at Best Buy. To learn more about the LG UltraGear 27GP750 gaming monitor, be sure to read my full review on Best Buy Canada's blog.